Are you looking for the rated underglow lights? In this video we will look at some of rated underglow lights. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Yunita Rock Lights 4 Pods White. Yunita Rock Lights enhance your vehicle with both improved functionality and striking aesthetics. The set includes 4 intensely bright white LED pods, crafted from durable aluminum known for its excellent heat dissipation properties and longevity. These lights provide a high output of 6000 K LED brightness for clear visibility and safety and are built to last with an IP67 waterproof rating, making them suitable for all-weather adventures. Designed to illuminate your adventures, these lights enhance visibility and style for a variety of vehicles, from rugged trucks and versatile SUVs to nimble ATVs and seaworthy boats. The high-intensity white light not only ensures excellent visibility but also accentuates the aesthetic appeal of any vehicle, making it a standout in low-light conditions. Additionally, their robust construction offers superior protection against dust, rust, and shock, making them especially suitable for off-road vehicles. While the high intensity of the LED is a highlight, it may not appeal to everyone, a notable consideration for those considering the lights. Despite this, the lights are highly praised for their durability and performance. They offer a strong, reliable, and straightforward solution for underbody lighting, making them an excellent choice for those in need of robust illumination and a rugged build. However, the lack of color customization may deter those who prefer more flexibility in their lighting options. Specifications: Light source type, LED. Color, white. Material, aluminum. Water resistance level, waterproof IP67. Voltage, 12 volts. Fit type, universal. Form factor, pod. Auto part position, bottom. Special features, rust-proof, dust-proof. Recommended uses, vehicle interior, exterior. Number 4. OPT7 LED Underglow Kit. OPT7 LED Underglow Kit comes with 4 sturdy aluminum LED bars, each featuring 252 high-intensity LEDs, capable of emitting a wide spectrum of vivid colors. This kit stands out for its RGB functionalities, offering 16 different color choices that are adjustable in terms of brightness and flashing patterns. The various lighting modes include single-color strobes, multicolor fades, and cycles, along with sound-reactive options, perfect for customizing the ambience of any vehicle for different occasions. Featuring the advanced door assist feature, the kit lights up the moment you open your vehicle's doors, thanks to the auxiliary wires that integrate smoothly with your car's electrical systems. This feature enhances the user experience, while its IP68 waterproof rating ensures that the kit is impervious to water and dust, perfect for any weather conditions. The OPT7 is renowned among car enthusiasts for its bright and vibrant display that significantly enhances the vehicle's nighttime appearance. While it boasts impressive LED brightness at night, the kit also demands a deeper understanding and time commitment to harness its full capabilities. The advanced features and superior construction enhance its appeal, though the daytime performance might not be as vibrant. Nonetheless, for those who prioritize durability and nighttime flair, this underglow kit proves to be a worthwhile addition to any vehicle. Specifications: LED type, 5050 SMD, 252 LEDs. Material, aluminum casing. Waterproof rating, IP68. Connectivity, RF remote control. Voltage, 12V. Fit type, universal. Special features, breath effect, multicolor. Included components, LED bars, mounting kit. Application, vehicle exterior. Auto part position, underbody. Number 3. Govee Underglow Car Lights. Govee Underglow Car Lights revolutionize vehicle customization through their advanced RGBIC technology, allowing the display of multiple colors at once for dynamic and personalized lighting effects beneath your vehicle. Controlled via the Govee Home app, these lights boast over 16 million colors in various scene modes, enabling customization for any event. The music synchronization feature, utilizing your smartphone's built-in microphone, lets the lights dance in sync with any tunes you play, adding an exciting layer to your driving experience. Designed with a dual-line system that merges at a central control point, these lights simplify installation and maintain a sleek, wire-free exterior on any vehicle. The kit includes strong adhesives and clips for stable mounting through tough terrains, and the lights boast an IP67 waterproof rating, ensuring reliability in any weather. Perfect for vehicle owners seeking a blend of style and practicality, these lights deliver exceptional performance and visual appeal. Combining durable construction with dynamic color customization, these lights excel but require a smooth, flat surface for the adhesive to work effectively during installation. The reliance on a smartphone app for operation might seem challenging for some, but it ensures precise control and an enhanced user experience. Overall, their robust design and vibrant lighting effects make them an excellent upgrade for vehicle aesthetics. Specification: connectivity, Bluetooth. Waterproof rating, IP67. Light source type, LED. Color options, 16 million plus. Control method, app-based. Voltage, 24V. Fit type, universal. Special feature, music synchronization. Material, synthetic rubber/plastic. Application, vehicle exterior. Number 2. Nilight Underglow Neon Accent Strip Lights. Nilight's Underglow strip lights offer a vivid upgrade to any vehicle's aesthetics with their dazzling array of colors and patterns. Each light strip contains 252 SMD 5050 LED chips, ensuring a powerful and consistent glow from underneath your car. The durable PVC housing of these lights protects against water and damage, achieving an IP68 waterproof rating. Complete with Bluetooth connectivity and a remote, these lights provide a fully customizable experience to suit any mood or occasion. Designed for quick installation, which can generally be done in under an hour, they come with robust adhesive backing and additional mounting hardware for secure placement on any exterior part of the vehicle. Waterproof and resilient, they withstand various environmental conditions while maintaining optimal functionality. Multiple lighting modes, including static, jump, and fade, along with sound-active modes, allow for customization to suit any preference or occasion. With this Underglow kit, vehicles gain an infusion of high-performance features and durable construction, transforming night drives into extraordinary visual experiences. Installation demands a clean and dry underbody for the adhesive to adhere effectively. The Bluetooth app, which is key for adjusting the kit's settings, needs to be more intuitive, providing a simpler user experience for those less accustomed to technological gadgets. Specifications: LED type, 5050 SMD, 252 LEDs. Waterproof rating, IP68. Connectivity, Bluetooth plus remote. Voltage, 12V. Material, PVC. Fit type, universal. Modes, 8 static, for sound active. Included components, for LED strips, remote, power cable. Application, exterior underbody. Warranty, 2 years. Number 1. Xprite Car Strip Light. Xprite car strip lights are designed to captivate with their vibrant colors and dynamic features, turning any car into a stunning visual display. Using advanced SMD 5050 LED chips, these lights provide exceptional brightness and uniformity, standing out from the competition. With 8 static colors, jump and fade effects, and music synced modes, they offer endless possibilities for creating a personalized and interactive ambience. Whether parked or cruising, these lights add flair and excitement to your vehicle. The lights come equipped with adhesive backing for effortless installation, making setup quick and hassle-free for users of any skill level. Durability is a standout feature, as the flexible rubber tubing shields the kit from wear and tear caused by road vibrations and extreme weather. Engineered for universal compatibility, its 12V power support ensures it can be used with most vehicles. The waterproof design of the control box and connectors further enhances its reliability, delivering consistent lighting performance regardless of weather conditions. With its vibrant illumination and durable construction, the Xprite Underglow Kit offers an easy solution for vehicle enthusiasts aiming to enhance their car's aesthetics. However, the adhesive backing, while initially secure, may lose its grip when exposed to extreme weather, prompting users to apply additional fasteners for improved stability. This minor drawback aside, the kit is impressively easy to install and delivers a brilliant display that transforms the nighttime look of any vehicle. For those seeking style and simplicity, this kit is a compelling option. Specifications: LED chip, 5050 SMD, 252 LEDs total. Power per LED, 0.3 watts. Waterproof rating, IP67. Connectivity, RF remote control. Voltage, 12 volts. Fit type, universal. Special feature, multicolor, sound sync modes. Included components for LED strips, remote, control box. Application, vehicle exterior. Material, flexible rubber tubing.